Previously on Florida Coast Detecting.
And it's a dime. Got a quarter and a dime.
Today, our story picks up at the one and only Jensen Beach.
We're back again at Jensen Beach. It's in the mid-80s, I believe. And with the humidity, it's well into the 90s. Not been a whole lot of activity here this week. Let's see what we could get. Then we'll move on to another beach down the street. Today I'm using the Legend. Second time out with it. Looks like we got a 20, 27, 26. Okay, it's in the scoop. Oh, it's a pull tab.
Y'all ever wonder why people take those pull tabs off their cans? I do. Silly stuff like that keeps me up all night.
And a surface find. Little clip for the bag of chips.
Ooh, that's a nice chip clip. I wonder if there's any Doritos hanging around them.
That's where we're headed. Nothing on the south side, really. Just a pull tab. We'll head up north along the wet. Then we'll get out of here. Hit another beach. I don't think this one's going to have too much today. Well, we really haven't dug anything, so why don't we see what this one's about. Hook, a nail, or some other kind of fishing lure. Okay. Apparently, it is in the scoop. It's just plants, seaweed. It's a nail, another nail from those pallets where those people do bonfires with pallets. The water comes in, grabs the nails, and distributes them all over the beach. Isn't that nice? I think it's nice. Bottle cap didn't say where to go. All right, let's give it a shot. Looks like we got something. Whatever it is, I don't think we're gonna miss it if it goes away. But it's gone. Yeah. Okay, I think we got it. I don't see anything. Oh, I see it. And it's gone. Oh, it's right there. Just a tiny little wire.
My daddy was a metal detectorist, and he used to tell me,
Where'd you go?
if you ain't swinging, you ain't getting none. Targets, that is. And look at there. We've got a target. Let's see what falls in the scoop on this one.
Can't get the waves to stop. See something shiny. Looks like a little bracelet. It's broken, but some kind of bracelet. Thingamajig, butterfly. That's crazy how they're doing. $23. Looks like a Modelo bottle cap. Sure enough, Modelo. $27. I'm going for another bottle cap. $28, $27. I think it was just the foil to the previous bottle cap. Nope, still there. Pull tab. So 48 on that. 37. $35. You can see it. Fold again. Mike's Hard Lemonade. Must be nice just to anchor off the beach in your yacht, go for a little dip, pull off. Look at that water. Very calm today. That's got to be a bottle cap. I see it. Bottle cap. America's favorite, Corona Extra. Have to start calling this the bottle cap collecting machine. Does a pretty good job.
That little butterfly charm is definitely the find of the day. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video and we've earned your subscription. Come back again next week. We'll be doing it again at a different beach. This time, we're going to go to Carlin Park, down in Jupiter, Florida. And there, we're going to find a piece that we've not found before. And when you see it, you'll know it took a licking and it kept on ticking. Until next time, y'all have a good one.